Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 2 want to present about our group project, the Mau Food. Firstly, I want to introduce my group member. First, me, Zuhelmi 264313. Next, Amalina 261-802, Azliza 261-547, Maisara 275-655, and the last, Adlina 263333.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Wanur Amrina binti Rusdi. My matric number 261802. My part is background of company. Introduction. First, the mouthful was found in 2017. The Mouthful is a catering service company unlike any other in that we provide catering service via food truck. The service is carried out the state of Alustar Kedah. We also specialize in unique recipe and incorporate a variety based on the customer preference. We also provide a number of package to our customer. The majority of the event we manage are birthday parties. We receive many bookings throughout the Mouthful existed. Booking for too many events require higher efficient in manage all data. We will use more effective way to set up a catering business. That is company logo and information. We have a name of our company, as we know the Mouthful, and location, contact number to order, and type of event we provide. We have also social media, Facebook and Instagram, and business hour. Next is vision. Our vision is to consistently exceed our client expectation by providing great experience. Mission. Our objective is to constant service consumer with higher quality at reasonable cost, as well as service tailored to their specific requirement. This is accomplished through a well-monitored procedure in which we prepare our greatest dish and deliver them to our customer quickly and effectively.
I will continue my part. My name is Aziza binti Mausim. My matric number 261547. My part is problem statement. A catering truck is a large motor vehicle such as a van. A trailer equipped with tools for cooking, preparing, and serving and selling prepared food. In general, food truck provide opportunities and facilities for customer and to taste the enjoy food easily where there is this food truck service. In fact, we have also established a food catering truck service since 2017 and have been in the field and food preparing by truck for years, offering cuisine and a variety of specialties and menu that's very popular, especially for birthday celebration. We also face some problem to continue grow in this area. The first problem we face in competition from other companies that also provide the same service, namely a catering service. This is because increasing in the number of catering truck has increased competitions in other no catering industry compared to catering truck, which are now still relatively new and not very well known as a many moving food truck. Like our only sells a ready-made and directly cooked food. Catering truck, we only provide a ready cook for customer in birthday celebration only. Other catering company offering all event catering service. It is important for our company to provide better service in terms of all events. Service to be better known and will received by customer. The store customer data using the old way where will stay user books and file to store the information of a very customer who order a catering truck. In the second problem we face, our employers take order and customer information using a manual system that is using book. This is so because the probability of loss of customer is information and duplication of customer information is high and can happen as all. Next, the user of time to find customer information is manually, which is also takes long time. The last problem, we also face vehicle-related danger. This is because running the service by truck will move a lot from one area to another and immediate rate without thinking about the risk of incident or disaster. It is said that no matter how careful the food truck operator is, no one can control nature. Nature disasters are common and external elements such as hail, snow, lightning, heavy rains and wind. These damages pose and hard threat to a food truck business like our. The damage incurred from this event is costly and can have a long-term impact on operation, which contemporary closure, which means there may be a contested loss we have to bear.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Aida binti Bahra. My metric number is 263333. Okay, now I would like to present the ERD diagram of our company, which is the Mouthful Food Truck Catering. Okay, in this ERD diagram, it consists 5 entities, which is employees, customers, menu, orders, and the payment. Between these entities, they have the boundary relationship. In ERD diagram, it consists so many boundary relationship to form the ERD diagram. First, the boundary relationship between employees and the customer. The one employee can serve the many customer, and the primary key of the employee is employee ID, and the foreign key for the employee is the customer ID. The other information that need in the database is name, gender, race, IC number, phone number, and email address, and the email and email address. Okay, for the customer, many customer can serve by one employee. The customer primary key is customer ID, and the foreign key is the menu ID. The data information that need is name, phone number, and the address. Okay, the boundary relationship between customer and menu. Okay, many customer can select one menu. For the menu, the primary key is the menu ID, and the data information that need is menu section, main course, drink, dessert. And next, we move to the boundaries between menu and orders. Okay, one menu can made by many order from the customer, and for the orders, the primary key is the orders ID, and the foreign key is the menu ID, and the other information that needs is order date, quantity, and total amount. Okay, next, the relationship between the orders and payment is 1-to-1. One orders can make one payment. For the payment, the primary key is the receipt ID, and the foreign key is the order ID, and the other information is payment date, type of payment, reference number, and the total amount.
from the previous slide, it shows how to develop the database table using Microsoft Access. This is database table of the customers, employees, and the menu. This is the database table of the payment and the orders. After we perform the database table, we can establish relationship between the entities, which is employees, customers, menu, orders, and the payment. We can develop establish this relational database using Microsoft Access. The table can be connected by one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many connection. The connection establish link between the table, and using the Access, it enables to merge the data from two distinct tables. Each of the table information from two identical tables. They are linked between employees, customers, menu, orders, and the payment data.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Maisara binti Hamizan, Nometric 275655. Today, I will explain about the generate form to input data. The advantages of utilizing the Access input form is that as a food truck catering, we don't have to search the table for individual fields to enter data. As a simple way, we merely input data into one field and then proceed to the next field by pressing tab on the keyboard. According to the diagram, there are 5 forms in which we just enter data to quickly locate it. As we can see on the slide, we have customer form, employee form, menu forms, order forms, and payment forms. By generating form have been utilized after we have created the database and established table relationship. As a summary, by just inputting from data and clicking a tab, we can quickly and easily insert multiple records into the database. Next is the building queries to access specific data. A query is the Microsoft Access object used to view, analyze, or modify data. The query design determines the field and records that we can see and sort order. Now, our group have generated 3 queries towards our data. For the query 1, which is who is the employee in charge for each customer. From this, we can know that the employees Kamal bin Ahmad, Muhaimin bin Saleh, and Faiz bin Muhammad Noor are in charge for which or each customer that we have. Query 2, which is which one is the most favorite menu section that ordered by customer. For this query, we want to know the most favorite menu section that always ordered by customer. After generating the data, we may know that in 4 menus that we have, set A and B are the most favorite menu section that have been ordered by the customer compared to the set C and D. Lastly, query number 3, which is what are the most type of payment used by customer. In this query, we want to know what are the most type of payment used by customer. After generating the data, we know that the most type of payment that always used by customer is by cash. The customer ID who made a payment by cash are C10, C8, C6, and C3. Other than that, customer ID are made a payment by using online banking platform.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zahilmi bin Aminuddin. My matrix number is 264313. Today, I want to continue about the report. Decision and analysis may be made with the use of data from a database report. An integrated reporting tool is a frequent characteristic of well-designed business application. This is just a front-end interface that call or execute back-end database queries. There are 5 pictures about the report. First picture is customer detail. Second picture is employee detail. Third picture is menu. Fourth is order, and the last picture for the payment.
Is the report of 3 queries in our database.
Okay, continue for the last part is conclusion. To summarize, it is critical for the mindful organization to handle its data effectively in order to run efficiently and remain competitive. Database allow for instant access to essential information, safe data storage and analysis or reporting capability for real-time decision making. Database also play a significant role in company online visibility, such as the mindful customer, order, menu, payment and employee can all be stored in a web-based database. After that, the data neatly arranged in Microsoft Access. It might make things easily for the mindful company. This is because manually entering all of the facts in existing system will take a long time and may result in error. The category is therefore simple to read, perform a data check, and determine if everything happened wrong while entering data. After entering data or during data update, this is because all the current historical data is recording in the database and any partition consideration are likewise updating. Furthermore, with the accessible data, this is convenient for both staff and customer. This is because when we contact with client, we receive data from the end. This data make easier for us employing to determine if there are other service to be supplied to the same customer than what is now in our system. As a result, business no longer need to collect some customer data because it's already available. Long-term client will benefit from this solution because they will not have to be re-enter their information. Finally, working in the food truck catering market might be difficult. However, if we are able to successfully address all of issues, it might be very enjoyable industry to work in. The best thing about the food truck catering market is how inventive we can be, and it had the potential to expand immensely.